this setup looks the same, it's because I am filming 2 outros and this intro back to back. It's just that kind of week, so. This weekend, we are flying to Minneapolis. We are packing 2 carry-on bags, which is a lot different than the 1 checked bag that we did for California, so I plan to show you that as well. I'm home from work. I got a few things in the mail, and I just thought I would open them, see what I got. I got this, I don't know how to say this, Laneige. Came obviously super busted. It's very luxurious. I've never bought it on Amazon before. I have been using this product since I was on Accutane. I really, really like it. I think it really helps. So I still wear this every single night. What else did I get? This moisturizer. I actually also started using, I was on Accutane. I think initially when I started Accutane, I was buying the Glam Glow Hydro. Nope, this is Hydro Boost. So it must have been the Glam Glow like water boost or something like that, water something. And I liked it a lot. I loved the smell. I felt like it worked pretty well, but I didn't really try a lot of other things. Who actually knows? But it's just so expensive, so expensive. I started using this instead. I don't know, I like it enough to use it. And that's it. Good morning. Today is our last day to get anything done. Sorry, Luna. That wasn't very nice, was it? Are you serious? I just let her in. Today, we will be cleaning, packing, and dealing with some last-minute errands. Doing some errands today. After we got back, we started packing and doing some other errands around the house that I think I'm gonna talk about in a few minutes. I just wanted to show you what we packed so far. For this flight, we are allowed to bring on a carry-on each, a personal item each. I should have said and, because that's it. I'm thankful that we're able to pack together, so even though I go over my liquid allotment, he is under his, so I'm able to put stuff with him. First, we have this red bag. Okay, so this is my Dyson Airwrap. I bring just the attachments that I would use on a short trip. And here I have all of my clothes. I moved my sweater out of the way so you could see a little bit better, but in here I have 2 dresses, a pair of workout shorts just in case I need them, 2 pairs of regular shorts, and a pair of jeans just in case it's cold, a black bra. I'll be wearing the other color I'm bringing, but I feel like I really only need the 2. I have like 5 different tank tops. And then also, like I said, I am bringing a sweater just because I do get cold really, really easily. I'm not gonna open this bag. It basically has my socks and underwear, Jordan socks and underwear, some feminine hygiene products just in case I need those. And we also have our masks in there. We also have a lint roller because we have a cat and so there's just cat hair on everything. It is going to rain at least one day while we are in Minnesota. Is it Minnesota? Yeah, Minneapolis, Minnesota. Okay, whatever. See, we literally store them in plastic bags. This is one of the liquid bags that we are bringing. It is predominantly things for in the shower, shaving cream, face wash, body wash, shampoo and conditioner for each of us. We also have some hand sanitizer in here, a liquid medication for my wrist pain, Jordan's hair product, and bug spray because mosquitoes like to eat the crap out of me. We are also bringing this as a carry-on. In here I have my curling iron wrapped in a heat-resistant thing, my wet brush, and my hairbrush. There is actually nothing stored in here. We have sandals in here, one for each of us. In here, we've got some shirts for Jordan, some shorts for Jordan, some pants just in case it gets cold, his pajamas, as well as my pajamas. And last but not least, I do have this hanging travel storage. I'm gonna need to vacuum it. I have the travel storage just hanging on my bookshelf here, but you can see what we've packed. So we have razors for Earlier, I was actually thinking, like, today I learned that you can put this on a bookshelf. I was wrong. Am I gonna do anything differently? No. I also wanted to just go over for a moment what we bring in our backpacks. So Jordan's backpack is less packed than mine just because he's doing some other things right now. We have 2 days worth of meds just in case anything happens with our luggage. He also has the box that his wedding ring came in. He stores it in this when he's not wearing it, which is actually right now. Usually it's just when he's sleeping or showering, he'll put it in here. I packed him some sunglasses, some wet wipes for the plane, because planes are dirty, some snacks. He will pack the components to his Switch. I believe that's mostly for in-flight entertainment. He doesn't currently have anything in this last pocket, but I'm pretty sure he's gonna pack his MacBook. Honestly, that's probably it. I think he just spends most of flights watching the movies that are built into the plane, sometimes listening to music, playing his Switch. That's all he does. Like, he's so simple. And it's sweet. Like, I wish I could be entertained like that. In my smallest pocket, I always keep my retainer because, you know, it's just like not replaceable. I also have a box that I store my engagement ring and my wedding ring in when I'm not wearing them. So when I'm sleeping or showering or doing some kind of exercise, so I always bring that. I'm also bringing my lip mask because sometimes I will use it on the plane because it just gets really dry. In my smallest pocket, I keep my water bottle. I am also bringing some Dramamine, AirPods. I made this label with my Cricut. It's coming off. I need to make a new one, but I don't know, maybe we can do that together sometime. I will be the one carrying our case of chargers. And then I've also got a ridiculous amount of headphones each. I'm also bringing my ancient iPad mini, which I mostly just use to read. I desperately need a new case. My birthday's coming up. Maybe I'll ask for a new case. I'm also bringing my iPad Air and my Apple Pencil. I use this way more. I have Netflix shows downloaded onto it for the flight. I use digital planning when we're traveling. It's so nice to have. I am also bringing my MacBook. So that's it for my backpack. The only other thing is that I do always bring my purse. Technically, my backpack and this both count as a personal item and you're not allowed to bring more than one. So I do always make sure that there is space in my backpack to shove this into in case I get stopped. I have actually been stopped before entering TSA pre-check, but then there's been other times where I've gone onto the plane and forgotten to consolidate and no one says anything to me at all. So they both fit under the seat in front of me even without consolidating. So I really don't think it's a big deal, but I always make sure that there's room just in case someone's gonna give me a hard time about it. So in here I have my wallet, my sunglasses case, and then my wrist brace, just because again, I have wrist pain and I need things for it all the time. I have a mirror, some chapstick, a nail file, and that's it. This is the list of things that we are working on today. I'm also gonna take another COVID test today because I have a whole bunch that are expiring tomorrow. This actually goes with our luggage. It has our old address on it, so I need to update this. And then if I have time today, I was actually thinking of doing my nails. You do it so vigorously compared to me.
Just want to get a good sample, you know?
I'm negative. We're setting up the kitty camera to make sure that we're able to watch Luna while we're gone. Oh my gosh. We want to make sure that we can see her fruit tart. Can we see her fruit tart? Which is where she likes to hang out a lot.
Her tart.
Okay. And then if she comes over to the scratching post, we can see the top of that.
Yep.
We can see her food, right? Can you check and make sure that the chair is not blocking? Oh, look, this is actually really good.
Yay.
Perfect. Thanks, Jordan. So we've done everything that we can do tonight. We need to turn the AC off, but we really can't do that until tomorrow morning. And we can't run the dishwasher also until tomorrow morning. What time is it?
It's relaxing time.
I'm almost scared of Luna. So what are we gonna do for relaxing time?
Right now, we are watching a true crime documentary about a guy who probably killed his wife by pushing her down the stairs and then bashed her head in a few times, maybe, for good measure. That's my theory, at least. It's a working theory. But hey, that's just a theory. A working theory. Thanks for watching.
Are you tired? Me too. morning. Jordan and I are back from our trip to Minnesota. I don't have a ton of footage from it, so we were just seeing family, so we wanted to spend quality time with them, and we also wanted to respect their privacy. We did have a good time though. That wraps it up. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye. Jordan and I are back. That is so annoying. Hi, Luna. You want to say hello? She's got boogers and eye boogers. Well, now I have to cut this. Great. This is probably really annoying, huh? Okay, I'll stop.